we would like to give a special thanks to Breyer for sending us these horses as a gift. In honor of Breyerfest 2019, we are taking a look at a few horses, like the Freedom Series. This is Malik, the 2019 Horse of the Year. It's on a 1/12 scale and for ages 4 and up. On the back of the box, it says Breyer Freedom Series, a world of majestic horses, as free and independent as their spirit. 2019 Horse of the Year, Malik. Exclusively available in 2019, Malik is the Classics Horse of the Year. The name Malik originated from the Arabic language meaning king. This lively liver chestnut Arabian stallion is the 7th in the Horse of the Year series and features a brand new sculpture. At the bottom it says, "Welcome to the world of Breyer's Freedom Series. This is a world of real authenticity, celebrating the friendship and adventure of real horses. At Breyer, every horse is breed accurate, hand-painted, and 100% unique. No two Breyers are exactly alike. Welcome to a world of pure freedom where you can have a real horse of your very own." Let's get this horse out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the horse is standing on 3 legs and has 1 in the air. There's a lot of movement in the mane and the tail. On the other side, you can see all those muscles. To the top of the ears, this horse is about 6 inches tall. There was a Breyer Horse Scene magazine included inside the box. From the Freedom Series, this is barrel racing, also on the 1/12 scale. On the back of the box, fun fact, barrel racing is a women's rodeo event that tests the agility and speed of a horse and its partnership with its rider. Wow, there is fencing hidden all over the place. The horse comes fully tacked up with a black Western saddle and black bridle. There is a rectangle of felt for the saddle pad, and the horse is leaning to the side like it's ready to race around those barrels. 3 barrels are included, along with gray fence pieces that connect so you can build a scene. Did I mention there are dolls for the Freedom Series? This is the Western Horse and Rider set. In the 1/12 scale, you get a little over 6-inch articulated rider with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, waist, hip, and knee. She wears a plaid shirt that velcros in the back, jeans, black boots, and comes with a brown hat. Her horse is also fully dressed with Western tack and a purple felt saddle pad, so she can go on a ride. If you're looking for something a little larger, check out Danny and Ron's Rescue, Protocol, and Friends. According to the back of the box, this off-the-track thoroughbred made history by going undefeated for 14 shows. In the Hunter Ring, this horse is on the 1/9 scale, so it's larger than Malik, but too small for our dolls. Protocol comes with 2 little dog friends. Oh wow, look at the detail on the mane. It is actually lifted up off the neck. This is a really cute set. One of my favorite things to do at Breyerfest is paint stablemates. And even though we will not be at Breyerfest 2019 this year, because we'll be at VidCon, we can still have fun painting stablemates with the Colorful Breeds paint kit. It comes with 5 horses, so you can create your own dream horse. Inside, we found a Breyer Horse Scene magazine, instructions, cutouts, a perfect little backdrop, 5 horses, a paintbrush, and paint. Other supplies needed: cup for clean water, disposable plate to mix paints, paper towel, clear nail polish to make the eyes look real, Krylon matte spray to seal the finish. And there are painting tips at the bottom. Let's start with something easy. Use a little black paint to begin painting the horse. to make Raven from the Netflix original series, Free Rein. Black horses are the easiest. You just paint them black. Let's add a little nail polish to the eyes to make them shine. Let's paint this one next. I'm gonna get fancy and mix a little brown and black. It's kind of a weird color, but let's go with it. I'm gonna paint right on the barrel of the horse. Let's go around the front, on the face. I'm trying to make a blaze down the front. Take white paint, and I go over the areas that I left white. I could just leave it white, but I like the texture that the paint gives. All right, it looks kind of like fur, I guess. Some places definitely look better than others. I really want pink paint for the muzzle, but we're only using the supplies from the kit. So maybe we can water down a little bit of brown. Take a little light brown, mix it with water, and lightly brush the muzzle. You can see a little color. Pink would be better. I added the light brown to the feathers and the bottom of the mane and tail. Paint the eyes black. This is kind of difficult with this very large brush, just like at Breyerfest. So it's a very authentic experience. And now we have something that looks like Bob, my favorite horse from Free Rein. So now we have our very own custom Raven and Bob from Free Rein. So here are a few tips for painting your stablemates at Breyerfest. Bring your own fine tip brushes. Bring a Ziploc bag to store them in. Take additional paint to provide more colors. Use a photo for inspiration. Schedule your time so you don't feel rushed. And most importantly, be creative and just have fun. My horses aren't perfect, but I'm pretty proud of them. And the more I practice, the better I'll get. Even though we will not be at Breyerfest this year, we hope you all have a great time and look forward to seeing all of your adventures on Instagram. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.